Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cute ocean bay window aquarium in Heartopia. So you'll need this ocean bay window building permit. Unfortunately, this is the paid pass section of the Call of Wheels Game Pass. But yeah, I'm just telling you guys right now. So if you don't have it, unfortunately, I am using that. And I'm just going to go to the underwater like place here to build it, but you can just build it on land if you'd like to. But I'm going to do it here. And yes, there will be a lot of glitching. So pay attention. Alright, I'm in build mode already, and you're just going to place your ocean bay window like so. And then you're gonna want to put your brick fish tank on top of some floorings. Also make sure it's on top of one low wall and one full wall. Grab your brick fish tank. Make sure the tile is a different color though, so you can see which tile you're gonna move later on. Then place it on the back like this and press the check mark button and this many times to glitch it. Sometimes it doesn't work on the first try, but that's okay. You can do it again. Just check from the front and make sure everything looks good. There we go. Grab the tile and you're gonna move it until the area turns white and not red. Press the check mark button and then the save button. Alright, then we're gonna move the wall with the bay window. So this wall right here. And we're going to want to glitch that. So place it here and glitch that. And then grab the other wall and we are going to want to glitch that as well. There we go. Press this flooring and put it back here. Press the check mark button and press save. And then you're going to want to press complete. Okay, and that should be good. I'm just going to decorate the back so it doesn't look like this. And I'll show you what you should do for the back here as well. Okay, I decided to just cover it using walls because it's a little bit complicated, but just covering it with walls is easier. It's like an easier option. So we're just going to surround it with some walls here. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!